When an emergency happens, communication can't fail. Fire alarm panels, elevator emergency phones, security systems, and other life safety devices all depend on reliable connections when they're needed most. At the same time, traditional copper phone lines are disappearing. As providers retire aging infrastructure, businesses are facing rising costs, declining reliability, and fewer repair options. Spark helps organizations modernize these critical connections with a resilient POTS replacement designed for today's communication needs. Battery backup, automatic failover, and remote monitoring help keep essential systems connected during power outages and network interruptions. Because when an emergency occurs, your communication systems should be ready to respond. Discover how Spark from UCC Networks helps keep your business running, even when everything else isn't.